In our last video, you have learned that why do we wear the clothes? Children, why do we wear the clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from the heat, cold and rain, and also protect our body from the dirt and dust. And clothes also protect us from the insect. So children, when we wear the clothes, we look smart. So according to fashion, we wear the different types of clothes, and you also learn that early humans wear the skin of animal to protect their body in the cold region. And when it is hot areas, when in the hot areas, early humans wear the leaves of trees and bark of the trees or grass around their body to keep themselves cool. So when they discover the stitching needle, they make the cloth, and when they came to know or discover the art of the weaving of the cloth, they make the cloth. Gradually people make the cloth, and nowadays we wear the different types of cloths made of the different types of fabrics. So now we are going to learn today about the clothes that we wear into our different types of climate condition or different types of season. Do you know children, in summer season which type of cloth we wear? In summer we wear the cotton cloths to keep our body cool. See children, in summer season we wear cotton cloths made from cotton plant. So in summer season we wear cotton cloths made from the cotton plants. For what? To keep our body cool. So mostly cotton cloths are made from the cotton plants, and these cotton cloths are keep our body cool, because cotton cloths allows the air in the cloths, and when we wear it allows the air in and out. So these cloths are breathe. Do you know breathe? What do we do in breathing? Take air in and out. So this is the breathing. So like this, cotton cloth also breathe. It allows the air in and out. So this make our body temperature cool, and when we have sweat, it absorbs the sweat from our body, and like it breathes, it evaporate our sweat so that we feel cool. So children, in summer season we wear the cotton cloths. Understand? And children, in the rainy season, which type of cloth we wear? In rainy season, when we go outside, we wear the raincoat. Yes, we wear the raincoat in the rainy season. See, in rainy season, we wear raincoat to keep ourselves dry from the rain. Okay children, in rainy season we wear raincoat to keep ourselves dry from the rain. Do you know from which material the raincoats are made? Raincoats are made from the rubber. Raincoats are made from rubber. Raincoats are made from rubber. And from where we get the rubber? We get the rubber from the rubber plant. Okay? So many farmers farming the rubber tree, and they take out the juice from the rubber plant or rubber tree, and they made the rubber from that rubber tree. This is the white color's juice that we get from the plant or tree. When we scratch the tree, it come out the drops of the rubber, and this juice or the drops of the rubber from the rubber tree, farmers collect it into the bucket and they send it into the mill or the factories to make the rubber. From rubber, there are made so many products from the rubber, but raincoats are mainly or mostly made from the rubber. So it keeps ourselves dry, because when rain falls on our body, we cannot get wet and we remain dry. So in rainy season we wear raincoat, and also we put on the rubber shoes also, or we call it gumboots. You know gumboots, when we walk our feet get wet from the water of the rain, or our feet get dirty from the mud of that watery soil in the rainy season. So to protect our feet also or keep it dry, we wear the gumboots, and it also made from the rubber. And one thing also you children like to take with you in the rainy season. Which is this thing children? Yes, that is the umbrella. We use the umbrella in the rainy season to protect ourselves from the rain, and the umbrella also keep us dry from the rain also. So children, we use the raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. Gumboots also. gumboot and umbrella. In the rainy season, we also use the raincoat, gumboots and umbrella to protect or to keep ourselves dry. Understand, children?